number 16, y is less than x and x is less than 22. For which of the following tables are all the values of x and their corresponding values of y solutions to the given... I misread that. For which of the following tables are all the values of x and their corresponding values of y solutions to the given system of inequalities? There we go. That's better. Now, if you wanted to graph this, there's no one saying you can't graph it. You're going to get two dashed lines that intersect. Whenever you have a system of inequalities, I am not drawing the answer. I'm just drawing a system of inequalities where they're both less than or greater than. You're going to get two dashed lines, and then you're going to get areas of shading. It might be that area is shaded. It might be that area is shaded. It might be this area is shaded. And you're going to get you're going to get the overlapping. And where they overlap, where those shades overlap, that would be the area where all the solutions to the system of inequalities are found. Now, if this was a more complicated setup, if this was like, y is less than x squared plus 5x minus 10, and also y is less than or equal to, 5x minus 13, then yeah, I would say you could put that in your calculator and see where the shaded parts overlap and look for which of these fits it. But as it is, I would not recommend that. Don't waste your time putting it in a graphing calculator. I would just look at my answers and see which of them fits this bill. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to cut it off, but I'm going to rewrite. It was y is less than x and x is less than 22. So just start with the first one. Y is less than x. And very quickly scan and see which of these are not fulfilling that. All right, the first one here is y less than x for each one. Yeah, 18, 19, 20, that's less than 19, 20, 21. Each pair is less. All right, next one, right off the bat, 19 and 20. Is y less than x? Nope. That one's out. I don't know if this purple is showing up. Let's change this to a darker. There we go. That one's out. All right, C. Here is y less than x, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25. Yes. Okay, that one's still in the running. And D, 24, 23. Oh, don't have to go any further. 24 is not less than 23. That one's out. Then we take our next part. X is less than 22. And just very quickly glance at these and going, okay, yeah, in that one, X is less than 22. That looks like my answer. But C, just double check. Nope. X is not less than 22 there for all those instances. A is my answer. And personally, I think you can scan those numbers and do that pretty quickly, much quicker than putting it into a graphing calculator and then trying to find all of these points where they overlap. My only sort of caution would be just be careful. Don't make a careless error. Don't misread this as y is greater than x and get the wrong one, because I guarantee you, they have every combination represented in those four. That's, what they want to trip you up. So just be careful and you can get this one right and go on your way. It is A. Hey guys, the full insanely comprehensive SAT math prep course I've been promising for so long is live right now at mathwithalyssa.com. And of course, you can also still get the free 10 video course on SAT tips and tricks at mathwithalyssa.com as well. You also can now book one-on-one tutoring sessions with me. Links to how you can do that are in the description and the pinned comment below. And as always, if the video you just watched was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.